Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use dual connection on your earbud EARFUN Air Pro 4. And right here we have a first device what connected with the headphones and also have an application, and the second one do not. So open the application on your first device. Then click on your earbuds here and scroll down. We need to find dual connection. And right here we have it. Tap on it, and firstly we need to enable it if you have it disabled. After that, we need to pair these earbuds with a phone. And we have two options how to make it. The first one, you can click Connect New Device right here and your earbuds will enter to pairing mode. Or you can put your earbuds to the charging case and after that press and hold at this connectional button at the top to enter pairing mode. So open Settings on your second device, go to Bluetooth for connected devices and also click Pair New Device if you have Android. After that, I'm going to click at this button and we can see these earbuds at the device list. So tap on it and then click Pair. And right here, as you can see, we add the second device. Also we have something else right here. Oh no, actually this one is this iPhone. So right here we have two devices, and what we can do, we can disable it, the second device, by click at the slider near to it, and we, so let's make it, let's try it. Then click Sure, and as you can see right here that it should be disabled from your phone, and I guess we have some bug here. Oh no, it's actually disabled. Yeah, and you can reconnect it by press on your device at the device list on your second device. Or you can also unpair it, and if you did it, as you can see, it also disabled right here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.